Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to blur part of the video or face on Capcut. So if you have a video and you want to blur out maybe let's say a number plate, or you want to blur out a minor in the video, then let me show you how you can do this. So first we want to go ahead and open up Capcut. Next you want to go ahead and create a project. Here we'll go ahead and import a video. So I've got a fruit plate. Go ahead and add it to your timeline. Let's say I want to go ahead and blur the lemons at the bottom left. So first we'll go ahead and duplicate the clip on the timeline. So we'll go ahead and paste it on top of each other. Next we'll go ahead and select the duplicated clip on your timeline. We'll go ahead and select mask. And from here we'll go ahead and select circle. Go ahead and find the lemons. Go ahead and adjust the size. Now once that's adjusted, you want to go ahead and select that clip again. From effects at the top, go ahead and find blur. Now go ahead and select the blur effect and apply it to the top clip. Now once you apply it and now you play the clip, you'll be able to see that it is blurring out the lemons on the video. So there you go guys, that is how to blur part of the video or face on Capcut.
Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and